Here we are going to discuss about the firing order. Firing order means sparking order of the engine. As you can see here, we need firing interval for the to describe about the firing order. We have calculated here for 3-cylinder engine. To do this, we have to remember firing order here, and we have to fill the table accordingly. For every 4-stroke engine, length of one stroke is 180 degree. Similarly, in 2-stroke engine also it is about, I think, 180 degree only, but there in 180 degree to process completes. Power and exhaust stroke happens at same time. Similarly, suction and compression steps happen simultaneously, I think. Here we are going to do a proper 3-cylinder engine. We have remembered that its firing order is 1 3 2 or 1 2 3. We have to find the common multiple of both stroke angle, that is 180 degree for 4-stroke engine, either it is 2-cylinder, 3-cylinder or 6-cylinder. We have found that 60 degree is the common angle. Now let's fill this. 60 degree is the common angle. Then for 180 degree, let's assume there is power stroke in the first cylinder. Power stroke, we will write P for it. And after first cylinder, there is power stroke in the third cylinder. Here third cylinder means we don't need fourth cylinder, so cross this. And third cylinder we have power stroke. One more thing, here we are having power stroke of power stroke of